100.
And I'm still living, kicking, making bad decisions, looking, cooking, dirty up the kitchen. Seconds, minutes, different definitions. Must be getting heavier, the scale keep tipping. I see pretty faces, but those things always seem to fade away. You know what doesn't fade away? The way I love you, miss you, always wanna kiss you. I don't need to save you, you don't need a rescue. Always know what you want, never need a menu. Always get what you want, we got that in common. Cause I've been getting what I want, I'm not settling, what's the fun in that? Keep going, keep going, keep going. And I'm still living, kicking, making bad decisions, looking, cooking, dirty up the kitchen. Seconds, minutes, different definitions. Must be getting heavier, the scale keep tipping. I see pretty faces, but those things always seem to fade away. You know what doesn't fade?
Welcome to the beautiful Greece. We have just touched down in Ios Island.
Spent the last 2 days in Santorini, chilling by the beach, having some cocktails.
But today we're gonna get some ATVs and explore the island, check out the tombs of Homer, some hidden beaches, and just check out the coastline.
Let's do it. Let's get into it.
Gaza!
Gaza!
For age,
Okay.
the quad you'll take, probably it's like from 18 till 23, you can take the 50 quad.
Yeah.
If you are above 23, you can take the 150, and then if you are above 25, you can take the 450 and the 520. The prices are for the 50, 28 for 24 hours, and you have included the third-party insurance and your helmets, as well as the other ATVs. For the 150 is 35, for the 450 is 45, and the 520 is 50.
Sweet.
Some of the places you can visit in the island are Maganari, Psathi, Hagia Theodoti, Hora, which is the center of everything in the island. You can basically go and have clubbing there, beaches, shopping, restaurants, and Kubara.
Yep.
Here, if you're like archaeological stuff, this is the place. Yeah. Okay, so this is Mylopotas. This is one of the most famous beaches here in the island. You get to do water sports, see a lot of girls. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of guys too. Beach volley.
Made it down to Mylopotas Beach.
We've picked up our ATVs, we got two. We also have George here, you might have seen him in our Thet video. He's come back for some more pain. How you feeling about ATVing around the Greek islands?
Fucking great, mate, but that's a bitch mobile.
So for reference, George is only 19, solid bloke, also single, and Sergio's only 22, nearly 23, watch the villa party. But what that means is they weren't able to rent a strong machine, so although they look the same, this one's only 50cc. Rob and I, being the old men we are, got the 150.
The big 150.
So we'll add in the bloopers where they struggle to get up the hill.
But the plan of action today, we're going to hit up Homer's tomb, which is about 15 kilometers away. And then we're going to stop at a few little beaches on the way, maybe.
50 kilometers?
15.
That would take us like 4 hours.
Yeah.
So by the way, you know George is English because he's always whining.
Why, ladies, I just moan.
Hey! The time to, should we swap now? Boys.
Let's do it.
The way I love you, miss you, always wanna kiss you. I don't need to save you, you don't need a rescue. Always know what you want, never need a menu. Always get what you want, we got that in common. Cause I've been getting what I want, I'm not settling, what's the fun in that? Keep going, keep going, keep going. And I'm still living, kicking, making bad decisions. Looking, cooking, dirty up the kitchen. Seconds, minutes, different definitions. Must be getting heavier, the scale keep tipping. I see pretty faces, but those things always seem to fade.
19 Ks, a mile. Pro tip, if you're gonna hire out a vehicle for 2 people, I'm gonna need for speed, man. What can I say? Get that more than a 50cc, please. Please don't get a 50cc. Welcome to the tomb of Homer, Eos. It's about a 500-meter walk from the car park to the tomb. Stunning views along the way, 180 degree of the ocean. Welcome to the burial grounds of one of the greatest Greek poets from the ancient times, Homer. It is said that after being given a riddle he was unable to solve by the locals, they had to kill him. Nowadays it is the #1 tourist spot in Eos, as it can showcase the beautiful oceans and the rugged mountains. So leave a comment below if you know what riddle he couldn't solve. Waiting for the boys, they finally come. We've made some new friends. Say hello.
An Alaskan, 2 Canadians.
Hello.
And now they're going to take us to the most private beach in Eos.
I like your shoes. Look at that.
We finna die today. That's okay, because we Eos.
Hey! 3, 2, 1, go! Look at the boys pull up. What do you think? Private beach?
All to ourselves.
Faces, but those things always seem to fade away. You know what doesn't fade away? The way I love you, miss you, always wanna kiss you. I don't need to save you, you don't need a rescue. Always know what you want, never need a menu. Always get what you want, we got that in common. Cause I've been getting what I want, I'm not settling, what's the fun in that? Keep going, keep going, keep going. And I'm still living, kicking, making bad decisions. Looking, cooking, dirty up the kitchen. Seconds, minutes.